Hello, good morning, friends. Today's topic is what is NGS. First of all, I will discuss you what is NGS. Deciphering the code hidden in biological sequences like DNA, polypeptides, etc. Methods and technologies that enable us to determine the order of nucleotide and amino acid in DNA and polypeptide respectively. Traditional method of sequencing and its limitations. Maximum Gilbert method, use of radioactive labels. Sanger methods, it utilizes the fluorescent dye for labeling. Separation of extended fragments of DNA with the addition of oxynucleotides. Thus chain determination. Limitation, slow, high cost per run. Next, automated Sanger method. First, bacterial cloning, our PCR template purification, labeling of DNA fragment using the chain termination method with energy transfer. Third, di-labeled deoxynucleotides and a DNA polymerase. 4. Capillary electrophoresis. 5. Fluorescence detection that provide four color plots to reveal the DNA sequence, and next generation sequencing, also known as high throughput sequencing, our ultra deep sequencing, our massively parallel sequencing. Fourth, what is next generation sequencing? Today's topic, what is next generation sequencing? First, automated Sanger method is first generation sequencing. Technologies developed after that are known as next-generation sequencing. NGS enables the sequencing of biological codes at a very rapid pace with a low cost per operation. This is the primary advantage over conventional method. For example, billions of short reads can be sequenced in one operation. Major platforms for NGS 454 Solid Solexa. Above-mentioned platform varies in strategies, application and type of data generated. However, all technologies are common in that they generate sequences on an unprecedented scale. DNA cloning is not required and very low operation cost. What is NGS consist of? Next generation technologies for sequencing is a combination of strategies for template preparation first, second sequencing and imaging, third genome alignment, four assembly methods. Template preparation, as even most sensitive imaging techniques is not able to detect single molecule amplification of template is inevitable. Fluently amplified templates by emulsion PCR, EM-PCR, for example 54454 and solid phase amplification, example Illumina single molecule template preparation, traditional vs NGS, immunobilization of templates fragments over beads glass plate allows billions of the sequencing reaction run simultaneously. Sequencing and imaging. Sequencing, cyclic reversible termination, example Illumina and Solexa. Single nucleotide additional 5-4 rows. Real-time sequencing R&D going on. Pacific Bioscience. Sequencing by ligation. Imaging, measuring bioluminescence signals. Four color imaging of single molecular event, example Illumina Solexa. Genome alignment and assembly. After NGS reads have been generated, they are aligned to either a known reference sequence, assembled de novo. 4. What is 454 pyrosequencing? DNA is a fragmented joined to adapters at either end of the fragment DNA amplified it in an emulsion PCR. Beads with complementary adapters to fragmented PCR amplified, allowing up to 1 million identical fragments around one beads and finally adopted into a pico teeter tube. Adapter containing the universal priming site are ligated to target ends. Same primer can be used for amplification. In pico-teter tube reaction of fluorescence occurs with the addition of nucleotide. Solid support oligonucleotide. Sequencing by oligoligation and detection step library preparation. Two types of library sequencing fragment our mid-paired are prepared. Emulsion PCR bead enrichments. Amplification of template fragment is done in same manner as 5 4 5 454. Beads deposition. Deposit 3' modified beads onto a glass slide. Sequencing by ligation. Primers hybridize to the P1 adapters sequenced on the template beads. The method uses two bases encode props, which has the primary advantage of improved accuracy. Multiple cycles of ligation, detection, and cleavage are performed. Extension product is removed and the template is reset with a primer complementary to the N1 position for a second round of ligation cycle. Breaking up DNA what is Illumina platform? Illumina is the NGS platform breaking up DNA adding adapters, but in this case attached not to a bead but to a slide. Fold back PCR is then used to amplify the fragmented DNA into a cluster. Sequential addition of nucleotides are added using a polymerase. NGS and bioinformatics. Alignment of sequence read to a reference. Blast does not blast here. Sort read aligners side line blast. Software Bowtie 2, Mac, BWA. Above strategies work if reference genome exists. De novo assembly from paired our unpaired reads. Base calling and our polymorphisms detection, structural variants detection, genome browsing. Application of NGS variant discovery in targeted region our whole genome by resequencing, reassembling genome of lower organism by de novo method, cost-effective sequencing of complex sample at remarkable scale and speed, sequencing entire transcriptome in metagenomics, sequencing genome of entire biological communities, replacing cheap and cheap with cheap sequencing in case of multicellular eukaryotes, personalized genome for personalized medicine. Further reading reference research papers. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.